Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract the love of their lives, while others keep running into heartbreak, disappointment, or loneliness? What if I told you the answer isn't out there? It's actually deep within you, in your thoughts, in your beliefs, and in the energy you put out into the world. That's the very essence of the law of attraction. You attract what you vibrate, whether consciously or unconsciously. But let me be clear, this isn't magic. It's not about sitting back and waiting for the universe to do all the work. It's about aligning. Aligning your thoughts, your emotions, and your actions. You want to attract the love of your life. Then start with yourself. Ask yourself honestly, do I truly believe I deserve real love? This isn't about wanting it. It's about deeply believing it in your core. You can say you want a loving relationship, but if deep down you believe love hurts, that good people don't exist anymore, or that you're not enough to be loved, that's the frequency you're sending out. And that's what you'll attract. So the first step is to shift that vibration. And to do that, you need to start loving yourself. Really loving yourself. Take care of yourself. Listen to yourself. Treat yourself with kindness. Honor your feelings. Give yourself the love you expect from a relationship. Because when you love yourself, you stop chasing others. You stop settling for less. You attract. Step 2, get clear and set your intention. Do you know what you really want? And I don't mean a checklist of physical traits. I mean, how do you want to feel in this relationship? What values do you share? What does your daily life look like? Visualize it. Close your eyes. Imagine you're already there. Feel that emotion as if it's real. And most importantly, be grateful in advance. Gratitude sends out a powerful vibration. When you say thank you for something you don't have yet, you act as if it's already yours. And the universe responds to that certainty. Step 3, live as if you are already the person who has that love. How does someone in a healthy, loving relationship behave? They radiate confidence. They take care of themselves. They live joyfully. So start now. Do things that nourish you. Express your true self. Go out, explore, and shine. And above all, trust the process. Sometimes love doesn't show up immediately because you're still healing or learning not to repeat old patterns or growing in self-love. But believe me, when you're aligned with the person you want to attract, love comes naturally. No forcing, no chasing, because it's no longer a need. It's an extension of who you already are. So if you're looking for the love of your life today, start by becoming your own love. And one day, without warning, someone will cross your path. And they'll recognize that light you've built within. If this message resonated with you, please share it with someone who believes in love. And tell me in the comments, what are you doing today to align with the relationship you deserve? Remember, the love of your life doesn't come to save you. It comes when you've already started saving yourself.